This is ARBP Cloud Tech with another video on Python. In today's video, we are going to see uh, about the problem on starting of PyCharm, and we are going to use its alternative VS Code. Okay. So first of all, let's discuss what the problem occurs when we are starting the PyCharm. Sometimes when your computer is not compatible, or sometimes the it fails to launch PyCharm. The problem arises like this from start failed. So this arises due to that of there is one file in the PyCharm 64.exe that does not respond when we are starting the PyCharm. So you don't need to worry about it. You just need to report the problem and close it. After some time, like 10 to 50, like 5 to 10 minutes, will if you will start it again, it will start. But sometimes it takes more time and it doesn't start. If your computer is not compatible enough to control or to launch PyCharm frequently. So now let's see the its alternative VS Code. So VS Code, it is simple and it can launch on any laptop, any less than GB RAMs also. Okay, so this is VS Code, and in this we will see how to set up the environments and how to put a Python environment in this. Now it is fresh, a new folder. Now let me first open a file, or I will create a new file. Okay, this new file. The file will be of, we have two options here only, as I have installed only Python or Jupyter Notebook. So we will choose Python file, and it will take some time as it is activating the extensions. As you can see, it is loading. Here it will now put the version of this interpreter of Python you are using in VS Code. So now you can see, as we have set up our environment in of Python here, we will simply write some program. Okay, now we will run it and we will see. Yeah, we'll save it here. Is it running or not properly? You need to you can use any of the versions of Python, but I suggest you to use the latest one only. So now, as you can see, it has been printed. Hey everyone, welcome to Python programming language. So the problem has been sorted, and if you have more problems related to the PyCharm or VS Code, you can see. But I suggest you to use PyCharm only because it makes our debugging process and all easier. And if you are like writing a long code, it provides you the where the problem has arises and what is the solution. It gives both. That is not provided in VS Code. Okay, so this is one thing you can do, or it's your it's your wish. You need to use Python or PyCharm. So thank you. That's all for
Please subscribe my channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook.